Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Vietnamese coffee. Vietnamese coffee. Don't let them trick you. They say Vietnamese coffee, but this is French coffee, okay? That's what they use. French coffee right here. Okay, this is make a good coffee, guys. This is real coffee, fresh, and when coffee fresh, they have oil in there. So that's the fresh coffee. Okay, I got this machine right here. I'm gonna using this. They have two pieces. Okay, now I am going to put 3 spoons coffee because I love my coffee strong. Ice milk coffee, guys. Asian people we drink ice milk coffee. I remember when I first came to United States 1981. I want iced coffee so bad. I just wish a McDonald's or coffee shop, whatever, have the iced coffee. They don't have iced coffee. They don't bring iced coffee by the time. And I want it so bad. I sit down, work with my friend. Okay, put this one down. Okay, now the water is already hot. I boil water already. Just fill up this water. I'm gonna fill up over and over until full of this glass. Okay. Now go back to the story. I want iced coffee so bad. You know, I talked to my friend. I wish I have iced coffee, and my friend says, "Iced coffee? Ew! Oh my God, you didn't know how to drink iced coffie?" I said, "No, that's 1980 iced coffee, nowhere too far." Okay, so I want it so bad. I'm just saying they don't know iced coffee, guy. When we here, and since 1980 we here Vietnamese coffee first shop, and we turned out iced coffee. Bam! I say I hit the jackpot. So because we drink iced coffee. Okay, add on another water until I get full in the bottom because this coffee is very strong. Okay. Yep, I just says I want iced coffee. Nobody understand that. But today they're addicted to iced coffee. And you have to know how to make. When you go to McDonald's, iced coffee, Starbucks, they have no good coffee. Trust me, guys, they put half and half, make your stomach not feeling good, and then put too much sugar. Don't act right. They don't know how to make iced coffee because they copycat. Okay, now I want to show you how to make the real good iced coffee right here. If you follow me, it's so easy. All you need to do, just go get this one in Asian market, Chinese market, Thai market, French coffee, guy. Okay, and get this machine right here. By the time I buy it, $2.99, $3.99, don't matter. Just go get one. This Asian market here, this to make for you just one drink at a time, just what you want. Filter, this is filter, and here comes another water. I'm gonna fill up the water until I get full in here. Okay, be patient, but it's not that long. Just 4-5 minutes, you're done for no time and good coffee. Okay, just like I say, you go McDonald's, you go Starbucks, they don't have good coffee. Terrible coffee. I really hate them. I know how to make coffee. That's why I'm just show you how to make this way, and good coffee, and you're gonna love over and over. You don't want to go out drink iced coffee outside no more because they make no good, guys, no good. Okay, wait for the water going down so I can add some more. With this iced milk coffee, if you want a bubble, you boil the bubble, put in there. Today I don't want no bubble. I just want to go ahead iced milk coffee 100%. So let's go add on more water. This is perfect right here. Perfect. Water perfect. Alright, let them going down. Okay, I have to share with you. When you make iced coffee, no sugar, no half and half. You use this condensing milk, guys. Condensing milk, okay? Make the coffee taste so good. It's not too sweet, it's just creamy at the same time. Just perfect sugar taste, okay? This is not a whole lot of sugar in here. If you want to buy a good brand, they have so many brands. You get this. This is old man brand, okay? You go to Chinese, Asian market period. You go. I don't think so. American market have this brand, okay? So this condensing milk right here is the best. No haven't have no sugar. Just only this and that. That's it, okay? Okay, guys. I think the coffee already gone. All right. I'm gonna go ahead put this condensing milk in here. 1 spoon. I would say 2 spoons. That's it. Done. Put back in the refrigerator. You can make over and over. Here. See that? This is real original iced coffee from Laos, Thailand, Vietnam. We all drink this iced coffee, okay guys? So you make just exactly what I make right here. Just to make your day. And this coffee oil right here, coffee here have oil. When the coffee have oil, that's a real coffee because that's a coffee bean. Okay? So don't forget. Keep tell you over and over to buy this brand. Okay? Don't buy nothing. Don't buy from a Starbucks brand, this and that. You buy this brand, that's the best one. Okay, then coffee, milk, ready. I let them cool down so before I put on ice, okay? Alright guys. Okay, coffee cool down right now. Let's go ahead and put on ice. I love a lot of ice when it comes to my coffee. Love a lot of ice. Okay guys, go ahead, put this just like that. Oh yes. One time serve, you see? This is perfect right here. See, good coffee, they have dark color and nice and creamy. No sugar, no milk, no half and half, just condensed milk. Okay guys, here you have it. Good coffee, and you're gonna love to make your day. This coffee have a lot of fiber, so you drink this coffee, you'll be happy. Okay guys, coffee is ready to go, and enjoy. Just like that. Enjoy, okay? There you have it. It's good coffee, make it no time. If you follow me, go ahead, make step by step, very easy. Like I say, go to Asian market period, they have that, okay? Alright, see you guys. You like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I can show you more and more. Thank you for watching. Be kind to another. Bye. See you.